Morning Bauer gives a nice view.
Date the quarter ended is March 31st, 2013.
I did nothing with hours.
Recording. Whatever.
Employee or employer identification number, so right below our date,
Sorry, Bauer.
is 70 dash 78 18 356.
I love you, Bao.
Our address is 625 Sandpiper Street.
What?
Spell that?
Sand and then Piper.
Piper.
I'm gonna name my first one P or two.
That's
One.
Pipper. Pipper. Not Piper.
P-I-P-E-R.
Not double P. That's Pipper.
Have you ever seen Pippi?
Maybe one's silent.
Okay, the city is Ormond Beach, O-R-M-A-N-D.
Like that?
Ormond or Ormond?
Ormond.
Open your book. In your book. Beach.
Oh.
Well, this is the only day.
I bet they have nice tans.
Okay, and then below it, you'll do like comma, Florida, so capital FL. And their zip code is 32074-46.
I want to know what they're cooking in there. Smoking. I think Mrs. Porter's teaching.
Okay, now we're going through the different numbers there and filling in where we need to. So the first thing, number of employees in the pay period. And it tells us that we have 6. So you're just going to write 6 there in box number 1.
Here?
Yep.
I'm way off.
Your computer's really hot. It might catch on fire. We better stop.
Okay, then box number 2 says total wages and tips plus any other compensation. So you would look in the book and we have those 3 total earnings that we would add together and get $33,800
Right here?
in box 2.
No sense.
No sense. So on the other side of the line, yeah, either put 2 zeros or a dash. Whatever your method is. Line 3, total income tax withheld from wages, tips, and sick pay. So once again, we look at the book. We would add those together. And so box 3, $2,366. Box 4, adjustment or withheld income tax for preceding quarters, 0. You can either put 0 or a line in the box. Line 5 is the adjusted total income tax withheld. So we didn't have anything in 4, so it's just going to be the same thing. So the $2,366. Okay, and then 6A, taxable Social Security wages. So that's going to be the total amount that our employees made. So $33,800. And then they're telling us there that we're going to multiply it by 12.4%. Why 12.4%? Every other time we've just done 6.2, right?
It takes 2.
Why would it be double?
Because of their,
This is counting and that's telling.
Okay, with Social Security and Medicare, both you, the employee, have to pay it, and me as the employer. Okay, so that's why it's now double. So we would times that, and so 6B is $4,191.20.
How do we go from this? Oh.
Okay, 6C, and if we had any taxable tips, we did not, so we could put a 0 in 6C and taxes. So we would add 6B, 6D, and 7B together and get $5,171.40.
I'm telling you,
She's teaching.
first it was you add a fourth cup, and then she's like, 15 divided by 3 is 4, and then, oh!
Miller's gone.
So loud there, Porter. Okay, 9. Adjustment of Social Security and Medicare taxes. Done. 0. Line 10. Adjusted total. So if we would have made an adjustment, we would add or subtract. We didn't. So 10 is the $5,171.40. So 11 is our total taxes. It tells us we're going to add line 5 and 10 together. And so we get $7,537.40.
Line 5? I can make smiley faces in my zeros.
How do you get
Like the French fries.
line
and
5
the-
and line 10 number?
So like.
Oh, well, I have something wrong. My line 5 is just 0.
You're wrong, Kidder.
I had it for both.
Okay, 12. Advanced earned income credit payments. We don't have any. 0. Okay, so line 13, net taxes. So subtract line 12 from line 11. Okay. I want you to notice though, I'm telling you this now, you need to read through the rest of that. Then it says, if 2,500 or more, this must equal line 17, which we'll get to in a little bit. Below, so keep that in mind. If things don't match, then you're in trouble. So our line 13 is the 7,537.40.
If that doesn't match what?
Down here below,
Oh, yeah.
then you're in trouble. It doesn't match line 17. Okay, then 14. Total deposits per quarter, including overpayment, applied for a prior quarter. So it's just that same number again, 7,537.40. And then 15 is our balance due. So subtract line 14 from line 13. So what would we get? 0. Okay, 0. Okay, now we have to do that little bottom part there. All filers, if line 13 is less than $2,500, do not complete line 17. So what's our line 13? What amount? Okay, so it's over that. So we have to do 17. And then it tells us in our book that we are a monthly scheduled depositor. So we will put an X in that second checkbox. Okay, so now down on 17, a monthly summary of our federal tax liability. And then that means pause it for just a second.
Pause
Or just press the recorder.
Bye now.
Pause it.
We're back.
Okay, I
157.
now you add them all together.
That's what I did.
Can we put that where? Is that right?
I haven't heard the right number. Yes, we don't have to put it anywhere.
1,600.
No.
597.
No.
1,600?
No.
Let me see.
Okay, so what you should be adding is federal income tax, so $731.
Plus Dang it, first digit.
Gosh dang it. Why am I getting my calculator out?
I got $2,443.88.
Okay, that's right. So 17B is $2,443.88. And we need to do for March.
It's which ones do you do? Like, how? Did you 868 or?
868 plus 768.8.
$2,765.40.
Yep.
How much?
$2,765.20. So then we gotta total it all up.
Okay, so 17C is $2,765.20. Okay, then add those three together.
$7,537.40.
Okay, does that match our line
Yes.
13? Okay, good. So $7,537.40. Okay, then the last thing you need to do is there on that sign here line. You were the one that prepared it. You need to sign your name. And it has print your name and title. So print your name and you are the manager. And then our date is April 24th.
We don't have a PIN number.
April.
We can put like our.
Okay, so now go ahead and do you're on your own.
Why is everyone upside down? We only have like 5 minutes.
Claire.
Why does it do that?
Because
That's weird.